Alright, so I already pre-mixed my mixture, so I got mixtures A. It has the vitamin C in it and the iodine. Mixture B, I have my cornstarch with and my hydrogen peroxide. I was out of coffee filter, so I wasn't able to filter any of this out, but I'm hoping that it still works. And also, I believe I bought the wrong type of iodine, but it was the only one I could find in town here. It says it has iodine and potassium iodide in it. So, suppose we'll give it a go. Mixture A. Mixture B. While we're waiting for that, I'll explain what's supposed to happen. When both solutions are mixed, two reactions start to happen. Hydrogen peroxide wants to oxidize the I negative, which is colorless, to I2, which is color. And then the acid wants to change it to I2 to I negative. What eventually happens is the vitamin C will be completely consumed because of all the extra hydrogen peroxide, the concentration of the hydrogen peroxide. I2 starts to accumulate and forms a triiodide complex with the I negative, which then complexes with the starch, which will give this a blue color. And if you want a quicker reaction, you add more hydrogen peroxide. If you want one that takes longer, add more vitamin C. And if you want to also go quicker, you could heat it up, and to take longer, you could also cool it down. Let's see. I don't think it's going to work. Like I said, I think I brought the wrong type of iodine. I think this one's more of a supplement because it wasn't very dark when I poured it in. So that'd be my reason for not working. Also, I didn't have a filtration system, so there's chunks of vitamin C and cornstarch in the. But that's my try.